Welcome to Veg on the Edge. Thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on this video. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video should you love the dish that we're gonna be making today, veganized version of binagoongan. I went vegan when I found out that the pain energy of the animals actually transfers to your spirit. So I went vegan for spirituality and found out eventually that when you go vegan for spirituality, you go vegan for everything because everything has spirit. As you know, bagoong isn't vegan because it's shrimp paste, fermented shrimp paste to be exact. So in that process, it's not something that you do want to put into your body because it's still animal products and animal byproducts. Who knew that you could make veggie bagoong? And for those people who are usually allergic to shellfish, shrimp, things like that, you can still eat kare-kare with Ho Chai Veggie Bagoong. So, because this is the star of today's dish, we're gonna make binagoongan, but veganized Veg on the Edge version. Ho Chai Veggie Bagoong, cool thing about it is it's made from carrots. It's got soybeans in it as well, corn oil, so it's vegan. And what was sweetened with it was coconut nectar. So much healthier than the loads of salt and sugar that they put in the, commercialized types of the typical bagoong that's out there on the market. We will be adding this straight into the pot because it already has oil, so we don't need to add any additional oil to this dish. Garlic, onion, we have tomatoes. So I'm gonna add carrots to it. Healthy food is also good for your mood and also good for your mental health. I'm gonna add in our bell pepper. Eggplant, high in antioxidants, great as a filler within dishes, and it's super versatile because you're able to use the flavoring within the dish that you make and it absorbs into the eggplant. Almost cooked. We're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the spicy. 2 to 3 because it depends on how much you want in your dish. I like it kind of spicy, so I'm gonna add another half tablespoon. The recipe is spiced up just right, and oh my gosh, you can taste the bagoong by just smelling it. We're gonna add our final ingredient. Texture just like pork chicharron is our fried up tofu. Because binagoongan is a Filipino dish, of course, it's best with white rice. People are kind of surprised. They're like, Cassie, you're so fit, you're so healthy. Do you still eat rice? Yes, I do. Only once in a while when it's a dish that I really love. And because it's rare for me to come across vegan binagoongan, and I love the fact that Ho Chai Veggie Bagoong is vegan and it's plant-based, made out of carrots. Can you imagine that? Why not eat rice with it? And finally, we get to try the Binagoongang Gulay. Indulgent rice today. Whenever you guys come here to visit San Juan, La Union here in the Philippines, please come over to Vitamin Shhh. Here where we shot Veg on the Edge, they will give you a 5% discount on your meal. Do subscribe to the channel. We'll show you a bunch of veganized Filipino dishes with a twist and other concoctions that we make on this series. Thank you so much to Ho Chai Veggie Bagoong for providing our vegan bagoong here on the show. Remember, Peace. Vegans on your plate. I really have to jog.